Oh, damn. Hey babies, how y'all doing? This is your girl J Baby and welcome back to the damn channel again. Alright y'all, yeah, I'm putting these videos out like clockwork. What? Alright, so I have Lovely Wholesale try on plus size try on haul for you today. And yeah y'all, I'm just popping them out like pop rocks, okay? Alright, so let's just get started because I don't have a lot of time. I just wanted to get it out the way. So my notes, y'all already know I got my notes. And we don't wear shapewear on this channel, so I need to let y'all know that it is what it is. We're gonna have some lumps, some bumps, some humps and jumps and whatever, you know what I'm saying, craters and whatever, you know what I'm saying, but we still are beautiful, honey. Okay, so this first outfit is the lovely casual plaid printed black and white one-piece jumpsuit. I will have everything probably on this side or that side, and I will give you the size because I for sure don't remember the size of this. So this right here, it's really nice, but I'm gonna tell you, y'all, it feels so damn tight on me. You hear me? It feels so tight. It feels so tight, but only this part from the ass up feels tight. You know what I'm saying? I feel like I'm, you know what I'm saying? But it still feels comfortable, but it feels tight. So, if you can see the arms right here, it's really nice. I like this jumper, honey. This jumpsuit is nice. Right here, you can see from the side that my boobies is, let me pull them up and see. Maybe give me a better look. Alright, so this is what this look like. I'm not closing this other button because that's going to look crazy and I can't. But I like it the way it is. You can wear a belt with this actually. And I'm going to get my little trusty stool right here where you can see what the whole outfit looks like. Up here kind of look like a diaper like, but I'm okay with it. And of course it, girl, it grabs you up in a donkey. You know what I mean? This is what the bottom look like. I will post what she have on with it, and of course I will try to mimic that. So that's what I will wear with it. So let me turn around in the back, that way you can see the back of the bootay. This is really nice and form-fitting. They are actually having a Black Friday sale, y'all. So y'all already know if you use the code that I'm gonna place up here or over there, then you will get some dollars off, guys. So yes, this is what she looks like, honey. Y'all can see I'm feeling myself with all of this, girl. I love it all. What? Yes. Okay, so she has a collar to her. So if you want to feel sexy with the collar on, you can, honey. Yes. It even make me look like I got a little booty back there. A little something, you know. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and try on the next outfit. This jumper is like really cute, but alright y'all, get a check of this one, this nice little old dress. Stop looking at me, Sheila. My sister laughing at my ass, y'all. She is laughing at me. Oh my goodness, like oh my goodness. Okay, this stop, Sheila, stop, let me record. Y'all look at all this, bam. But anyway, you see the okay, check it out. This right here is a lovely, trendy, lip printed black mini dress. It's a mini dress, alright, on my ass. You heard me? That's what we laughing about, y'all. Okay, here we go. Look at that. It's a mini dress. And it ties up on the bottom part. Now I need to slide up on the chair a little bit. Okay, this is what this looks like. It's supposed to be a little mini drenny. You know what I'm saying? I'm gonna post a picture up so you can see what it look like. Y'all, and I ain't about to turn around because I think YouTube would take my whole damn page down. You hear me if I turn around? Because we got cheek here, so I'm just gonna show y'all from the side. What the hell? Hold on, y'all. Hold up. Don't tell nobody. Alright, from the side, what it's supposed to look like. You know what I'm saying? But we ain't going no further than that. I like the lips, y'all. I would wear this as like a shirt. I would lift it up and wear it and tie it on the side and wear it with like some leggings or something as a shirt because we damn sure where we going at with this? Where we going? Where we going? And then look at this. Ooh, look at that. Girl, stop playing with the girl. You know what I'm saying? I lost some weight, but not that much damn weight. You know what I'm saying? So, anyway, this is a lovely mini dress though. But I'm going to tell you the size that I got. I'm going to post it down there. It's too small. I should have got something big. I didn't know that it was going to be like this, but it does stretch. It has good stretch to it, but honey, what? Don't call the police on my ass. This is crazy. What? They think I'm prostituting out this bitch. Girl, anyway. Okay, so like I said, that is the lovely, trendy, lip printed black mini dress, and this is sequence right here. If you can see with the tongue hanging out, they like, Then again, her tongue is real long. Anyway, let me take this off, y'all. But this is beautiful. You can get your hands on it. I hope y'all don't see my stuff now. If you can get your hands on it, get your hands on it. But I'm gonna tell you, whatever side you sit down here, and if you my size, go up. Don't go down, okay? All right, y'all. So, I was ready to turn around. All right, next. Before I show that one, let me show this one. I'm gonna go ahead and post this on the screen as well. And I'm not even about to try this one on either because I can't even fit this either, y'all. I can fit the bottom part, and these are sequence pants. What's the name of this one right here? Give me just a second. This one is a lovely, sexy, hollow out blue one-piece jumpsuit. This thing right here, you heard me? It's bomb. It goes like this up here, and then you got the pants right here, honey. That has, just pretend I got it on, y'all. Pretend I got it on. Let me try to get up. Don't look at nothing there. Pretend I got it on. But this is sexy. You see this? This is sexy. And it has also just the little shorts in it. It's see-through. If you can see, it's like see-through. You see the shorts right there, and then the rest of it is see-through. This is so beautiful. But you know what? I cannot fit it at all. I cannot fit it, but girl, I will get down to fit this. Now the pants I can fit, but this top is the part I can't fit for my arms. Now, if I would have got my arms in it, y'all, I would have came out there with belly, navel, everything hanging out. You hear me, girl? With the bag and everything, I would have been swapping it all over the place for you. You know what I'm saying? But your girl, J Baby, can't fit. So, I'm going to go ahead on to the next outfit, and I'm not sure. Hold on, stay. Hold that. It's this one right here. I'm going to go ahead and try it on and see, because I can't fit this either, but I'm going to try it on. All right, Mamacita, so glad to meet ya. You see it again? She out there. Bam, she out there. I'm having about 3-4 babies. Damn it. Okay, but anyway, y'all, never mind. This is my good stuff right here. You see that? That's the good stuff. All right, so this is the lovely casual letter printed black mini dress. Y'all, I don't know what the deal is. You understand? I don't know. This is how she's supposed to look at the back. Ooh, 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 ooh. That's how she's supposed to look at the back, but hold up. Okay. She is gorgeous. She has all the prints everywhere, and actually she goes up at the neck area right here. Yo, what? I would have got my life. I had high hopes for this. Y'all know I don't wear shapewear on my channel, but I would have, but when I do wear shapewear when I do wear these outfits, but this gonna have to be a shirt too, because you know what I'm saying? Whatever size y'all see right there, and you my size, go up, okay? Because this thing is nice, y'all. I love Lovelywholesale because they have some bombing ass clothes. I'm telling you, dirt cheap, dirt cheap, dirt cheap, dirt cheap. I just can't stop looking at my belly, y'all. I'm just saying what I'm just saying. You know what I'm saying? So this is what this look like in the bag. Don't tell Jay, y'all, I just did this one. Okay, but I don't know what it's saying. Bellman, I don't know, Paris. I see Paris. All that. I love the black up here. If you can see the detailing. Oh my goodness, girl, this would have been sexy. You know what I'm saying? If it had just fit as a mini journey. It is mini, but I needed a size up. So I'm gonna go to the next outfit, guys. But this is nice. This is really nice. I love the way the sleeves is. It's like a cuff down. I mean, girl, it's stretchy material. It's like what, fire? But it's looking like, I don't know. I look like I could be a prostitute in this too. You know what I'm saying? I'm just saying. Stop laughing, Shell. But I'm just saying, y'all, you know. But it's really nice, though. My hair keep getting caught up in it, and I'm looking raggedy because I was trying to get it on, y'all. But I can get away with it. Put some shapewear, girl. Put some shapewear on. Let me hold it in for you. Hold it down. Hold it down. Hold it down. But anyway, I will put on some booties with these, y'all. And I will be getting my little fatness on. Bam, 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 bam. Alright, y'all, let me stop tripping and let me get my next outfit, okay? Okay, baby girls and baby dolls and baby boys. Okay, y'all can see it. It's on the screen right there. And I have purple on because this is my sports bra. And I'm not about to put another shirt on to show y'all this because it ain't going down like that. But I like this one right here. This is the Lovely Casual Lace Up. Lace Up? Where's lace? Okay, well, Lace Up Caramel Color 2-piece shorts set. Now, I know you say, Jay, it's getting too damn cold outside. Why the hell you got on shorts? But at the same time, if I wear it, I'm going to put on some nice little boots with it. Hey, mind your business. So this is what this look like. This is shorts. Boom. Okay, turn around. This is what this look like right here. I almost fell, y'all. Don't tell nobody. But it comes like with the, I don't see any hooks for it. It's just a belt. But I would wear it like on the side, you know what I'm saying, if I can keep this closed, y'all. Because I don't have, you know, I don't, what y'all saying, I'm gonna stop. What? But anyway, what? What y'all looking at? Wait a minute. Yeah, wait a minute, what? Alright, so yeah, on a serious note, you can get away with this, guys, for a night out, you know what I'm saying? I like the color because I don't do colors usually. I like the way that the set is put together because I think that it's just, it screams sexy, it screams bougie, it screams, I don't know. Y'all tell me down below in the comment what it's screaming to you because I don't know. But I like it. I like it a lot. It's all bunched up. Why y'all tell me it's bunched up? Why y'all gonna have me out here like this in the streets? Alright, but it's cute. It wasn't the type of material I was expecting. Let's just say that. I'm gonna be very honest with you. I wasn't expecting this type of material, whatever type of material it is. I don't know right there. It could be polyester, but it's very stretchy though. So I really like it. Actually, with this outfit right here, I would try to attempt to wear it outside. But what's in my head right now and what my spirit is saying to you guys right now is that I think I may want to wear this as a robe in the house. You know what I mean? I think that's what it's saying to me. You know, that I would do it like that. Now, that's how I would wear it because, I mean, I can't keep it closed. I can't. That's why I keep doing all this shit because I can't keep it closed. You know what I'm saying? But anyway, next. Oh, hola, ¿cómo está, papi? Muy bien. Oh, ¿y tú? Yes, baby. Okay, so guys, this is the next outfit. It does not look anything like the picture at all, but I'll still take it. You know what I'm saying? Besides my rolls, you know what I'm saying? Anybody got some butter for these rolls? You know what I'm saying? Yes, but it's okay. Okay, so we have the Lovely Casual Printed Skinny Khaki. They say khaki knee length dress. And this goes past my legs, okay? And it don't feel like a khaki something. This looks like it's khaki and gray a little bit to me. What the picture shows is completely different. You will see it over here or even over there. So, like I said, we don't do shapewear. We ain't about to do that because I like showing all of this at rolls. Anyone? Okay, so this is what she looked like. With some shapewear on, I think she would be gorgeous. She has a zipper right here that you can, you know, pop up, pop down, whatever you want to do. This is what she looks like in the back. And it kind of like give me a little booty. See that? Kind of like give me a little something, something. What do you think? Okay, so I love the trimming, which is black here and here. The trimming on the bottom of the skirt is black too, so you can wear some little booties with this, honey, and put your little shapewear on, honey. Put your little makeup on, get your little inches in your hair, honey. And don't you know that gray fur coat that I had got, honey, and just bounce with it, bounce with it, bounce with it. You know what I'm saying? And just, you know, put your shapewear on, please, because you can't go out like this. Don't do this, okay? But of course I'm gonna put shapewear on. But I like this one. I really do like this one. I like this one, and I like, y'all skin my drawers. You know what I'm saying? What I'm supposed to do, just leave it? Okay, but I like that one, and I like the, what was it at? The first one. But this is the favorite because the first one was jacking me up in the crotch area. You know what I'm saying? But I really do like this one. I can see myself wearing this one, and actually that one too, but I'm gonna lose some weight for that one. And that blue one, honey, is fire, y'all, all day, every day. But your girl's gonna go there. I'm trying to get to a 0, y'all. Don't laugh. Maybe by my birthday March, maybe I'll be at a 0. But I'm just saying right now, I'm not. Right now I'm in a size 14. You You know what I'm saying? So hopefully by next month I'll be a size 12. You never know. Who knows? But Jesus. Okay. Alright, let's pray. Okay. Anyway, y'all, this outfit is really nice. It's very stretchy. Very stretchy. I don't think I would have wanted to go down a size. You will see the size on there. I don't think I would have wanted to go a size down because, or a size up. Definitely not a size up, but definitely not a size down because I'm already, you know. And this type of material right here, it shows everything, y'all. So when you get some shapewear, let me pull them up again. See, my underwear is down here. I think no, that's big girl grannies. Okay, well, I wear them down here. You know what I'm saying? I like my underwear to hide the band. I mean, my stomach to hide the band. You know what I'm saying? Anyway, y'all ain't catch that, went right over your head. Okay, this type of material will show everything, guys. So on a serious note, make sure you get some very nice shapewear to wear because it will definitely, girl, these slippers right here in my chest, girl, they keep on falling. You know what I'm saying? Like you put your feet in it. You know what I'm saying? Supposed to be tie-ties, boobs, but they be looking like slippers. But anyway, so let me hide them a little bit. Wish I can just put some hair all the way down here to, you know, hide that. But this is me. Knuckle, this is me. Alright, so Lovely Wholesale is having a Black Friday sale, and I really need to get this video out, and I'm doing a lot of ranting and a lot of joking and a lot of playing, but I'm telling you, I really like this one. And some Lovely Wholesale do have some really nice clothes, y'all. And y'all see, I really upped with Lovely Wholesale because every time you look at a video, it could be maybe 1 week or a week after, it's Lovely Wholesale, Lovely Wholesale, Lovely Wholesale, because I love Lovely Wholesale. And I will always love Lovely Wholesale because the coins, y'all, the coins is nice and cheap. So get in on this Black Friday sale. They have other items besides this. They had some really nice put together stuff. Now also look at the description of what the item that you purchase is before you purchase this. That way you'll know what it is, the material is, okay? So I'm gonna get out of here. I'm not gonna prolong this video because I know Lovely Wholesale like, where my video at? Alright, I'm coming, Lovely Wholesale, I'm coming. Okay, so I'm like loving this outfit, y'all, loving it. No jokes at all. I love this outfit. Like I said, no shapewear on this channel. We will not do shapewear because I need you to see everything that's gonna hang out if you built like me. I rhymed, didn't I? I know. Anyway, you know, like your girl J Baby always says, girl, what the hell do you say, J Baby? J Baby says, what you say? J Baby says, be blessed and not stressed. And J Baby is signing off. Now y'all go and get that Butterfield Gold.